Hey everybody, this is my Nakajima TDU-N62. I made an earlier video, you can find that, of some different stitch lengths here. This is actually a heavier thread. This is a polyester thread. It's mainly meant for hand stitching, but I'm using it in a machine. It's a size 207. I'm going to be running some Tex 70 through here, which is what I have on this. Really nice stitch length. It's probably set to, I think, 3 on the dial, but just do a quick sample of what that looks like. Of course, this also has reverse. I'm tuning this down to about 2. I'm gonna pull a little hard there, breaking the thread. But you can see, really nice stitching, good tension. And that's it. That's the Nakajima TDU-N62.